rise under Thai labor law. 一 Normal working hours.
General work not more than 8小时 hours they are as agreed by the employer and employees and not more than 48小时 hours week. Jobs that may be hazardous to the health and safety of employees include those that must be performed underground, underwater, in caves, in tunnels, or in confined spaces, radioactive work, metal welding, dangerous goods, transport, hazardous chemical manufacturing, tasks to do with tools or machinery where manufacturers are exposed to potentially dangerous vibrations and operate in potentially dangerous heat or cold, which by the condition of the work is a high risk of danger or the working environment is too high, a defined safety standard that cannot be modified at source and must provide protection for the individual to have normal working hours, not more than 7小时 hours day and not more than 42小时 hours week.
2 Break time.
During normal work, not less than 1小时 hour day after the employee has worked for not more than 5小时 hours in a row or may agree to take breaks at intervals, but the total must not be less than 1小时 hour day. Work in a food shop or a beverage shop which is open for sale or service. On consecutive days may take breaks more than 2小时 hours per day. The employer may not arrange breaks if the nature or condition of the work must be done. Contact with the consent of the employee or as an emergency. Before overtime in the case where an employee is required to work overtime. After the normal working hours for not less than 2小时 hours, the employee must be provided to rest for not less than 20分钟 use before the start of overtime work.
3 Holiday.
Weekly holiday, not less than a day, week with not more than 6 days for hotel work, transport work, forest work, backcountry work or other works, as prescribed in the ministerial regulations may agree to accumulate and postpone regular holidays week to stop at any time within a period of 4 consecutive weeks. Traditional holiday, not less than 13 days year including National Labor Day by considering the annual public holidays, religious holidays or local customs. If the traditional holiday falls on a weekly holiday, the compensatory holiday shall be stopped accordingly. Traditions on the next working day for events in the business of hotels, entertainment venues, food shops, beverage shops, etc. It may be agreed that other days off in lieu of traditional holidays may be agreed upon or pay for work on holidays. Annual holiday, not less than 61 working days year for employees who have worked continuously for a year. They may agree in advance to accumulate and postpone the annual vacation to include a stop in the following years is possible.
4 Working overtime on holidays.
May allow the employee to do so with the consent of the employee. From time to time, may require employees to work overtime and work on holidays as necessary if the nature or condition of the work must be performed consecutively. If it stops, it will damage the work or is it an emergency. May work on holidays for hotels, entertainment venues, transportation, food shops, beverage shops, clubs, associations, and medical institutions, without requiring prior consent from the employee. Overtime hours working on vacation and working overtime on holidays. Total must not exceed 36小时 hours week.
5 Leave day.
Sick leave, personal leave, sterilization leave, military service leave, maternity leave, training leave,